Hi all, welcome back. So today is 9th December 2022 and markets are already closed for the day. And today, in this video, I would like to explain you about the price action that has happened in the Bank Nifty. Okay, so I want to highlight one important thing which I observed today. So for that, I will explain you. Okay, so now you are seeing the Bank Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, this is 5-minute time frame chart. And yesterday, you have seen that in Bank Nifty, there was a huge rally towards the upside direction. So this is the yesterday's price action. Okay, and from 43,100 level to it continuously moved towards the new all-time high. They made a new all-time high yesterday, and they reached up to 43,628. So the way they moved towards the new all-time high, it showed the buyer's strength in the upside direction, right? So yesterday it was completely a buying game in the Bank Nifty, and they made a new all-time high. They went above the previous all-time high, that is around 43,500 change. Okay, so now today what happened is the I can say that there was a pure psychological trap has happened today in Bank Nifty. The reason I will explain you. Okay, so let me go to the today's price action first. Okay, so this is today's price action where it fell sharply towards the downward direction. But before falling there, they made a good psychological trap. So I will explain you that. So generally what happens, if you see a strong buying in the Bank Nifty on one day, so generally new traders or most of the traders will think that the same kind of buying, if not the same momentum also, same rally towards the upside direction, if not the same, but at least today also there will be a good buying, which we can get the profit out of it. So that is what a general trader or most of the traders will think. And these manipulators today, they have utilized that kind of opinion or that kind of uh, thinking from the normal trader. They utilized that and they trapped many traders or many buyers, especially. So today they trapped many buyers and they fell down. So I will tell you what happened. So today, this is the 5-minute time frame chart. So if I show you one important level, so this is the key support that they have taken in the initial half an hour duration. Okay, so Bank Nifty opened somewhere here, that is around 43,770, and immediately they fell down to that level. They went up, they fell down. So they created this small support here. Okay, now what happened? After taking the support, they went up continuously and they reached or they made a new all-time high that is around 43,850. Okay, so up to here it is going good for the buyers. Okay, so especially in this zone, it was completely in the buyer's hand. So everything is going in favor to the buyers. So, well, now what happened? Let me draw in this way, especially in this section. Buyers are safe and they have reached or they made a new all-time high. But here, the actual game started. Slowly, they started coming down from here. Okay. So when it is coming down slowly, what many traders will think or many people will think. So they will think or they will expect that Bank Nifty will come to this support level or will touch this support level at least. And that's the reason they may take the sell positions here, right? They may be selling the Bank Nifty here, expecting that Bank Nifty will touch this position. But what they did, they went or they dropped almost closer to that support, but they did not even touch that. And again, they try to go up. And again, a second wave, we can say, or second attempt, we can say. Here, assume if 100 people sold Bank Nifty here, in the second wave, there will be 1,000 people or 1,000 traders will be selling it because it has made a lower high also, right? This gives more confidence to the sellers, and there will be 1,000 sellers will be taking their position, selling position, and keeping their stop losses here just above the lower high, and expecting that at least it will hit this support or a blue line, that is around 43,650. So in this particular zone, there are number of sellers expecting that Bank Nifty will touch the blue line. But what happened here? Before making the target hit, they started moving up. Okay, but what happened? All the sellers are still active. They did not close their positions. They have their open. I mean, they kept their positions open, and they might have kept. Some people might have kept their stop losses somewhere uh, just above, at least just above this lower high, or some people might have kept the stop loss somewhere here also, because above the first 5-minute candle. Okay, so at least this will be the first stop hunting zone. So what they did, they moved above. I mean, they started going up, and they killed these most of the sellers, and especially who are taking very little risk. They killed all the people. And when we see, like, if I have not taken any sell position here, assume today. So what happens? Okay, today also there will be a buying, and they have got enough sellers trapped in this zone. Okay, they have got enough sellers trapped in this zone, and their stop losses are here and here. So today also there may be a buying today, and when this candle is visible to them, they started buying it. So those who haven't taken any sell position here, they will start taking the buy positions here, expecting their target will be somewhere at least to the first 5-minute candle high. Okay, so at least. Okay, so they might have entered. I mean, assume here 100 people might have sold the Bank Nifty, and by seeing lower high and by seeing lower wave, second wave of selling, there might be 1,000 sellers here. But by combining both, by seeing this heavy selling, even after getting heavy selling, they did not touch the support line. All are active. Stop losses are here, and buyers start taking their positions. Here, there will be lakhs of people taking the buy positions, because there is a more liquidity available here, more stop losses, at least uh, good amount, I can say. So this, there will be lots of stop losses are available here. There are sellers still active. There nobody has closed their position, and here there will be lakhs of people or traders will be taking their buy position. So this is the psychological game, expecting that yesterday was a completely a buying game. So today also there will be a buying at least, and uh, and also there is a good selling failure here. Along with that, stop losses are there. So combining everything, there will be a good buyers will be trapped here. So after trapping millions of buyers here, okay, there will be millions of buyers who are taking their positions with the huge quantity. Okay, with the huge quantity, but before hitting their target also, because before buyers, all the buyers who are taking the position, at least to least, they will be expecting that Bank Nifty will hit that first 5-minute candle high, or even some people might have expected even day high also. There is a chance that they may expect that also. But unfortunately, what happened? There is a buying failure, and there is one small clue also here. I found in options also. So still, though we are seeing candles going towards the upside direction, there is a small clue here. I will show you. I was checking the uh, Bank Nifty options actually. So 1 minute, I will show you that. Let me go to Bank Nifty 18,500 call option. So 18,000, sorry, 43,700 call option. So I was just monitoring this option chart also. Here there is nobody interested to take the buy position. So this is the Bank Nifty 43,700 call option. Okay, here when Bank Nifty is going in this way, okay, there should be many buyers who will be taking the positions, right? But in the option chart, there is no strong candle at all. If I zoom here, you can see it clearly. There is a good signal here that it is going to be a trap. I will show you clearly. 1 minute. So this is the support, okay? I will highlight it so that you can see it clearly. And what happened? This is the small higher low or small resistance level. But if you see, none of the candles are closing above the previous candle, especially in this zone. Especially in this zone, if you see, none of the candle, sorry, my mouse is not working properly, so please uh, excuse me for that. So if you see, if I zoom here, you can understand it very clearly. So none of the candle is closing above the previous candle. I will change the color also so that you can clearly visible the spikes also. Okay, now it should be clearly visible, right? So this candle, it did not close above the previous candle. This candle, that is 1150 candle, even it went above the previous candle, the closing is below the previous candle high. This candle, it was a good green candle, but it did not close above the previous high. So there is no clue at all in the buying side. Generally, what happens, this is a big clue from the option side. Whereas if you see the Bank Nifty alone, and if you, there will be this particular candle, if I zoom, this is a good closing above the previous candles. This candle might have trapped millions of buyers here, but if you don't watch the options also, you will be getting trapped here. So I was watching the options also. I understood that because option buying will be very sharp buying. If there is any hint that Bank Nifty will keep going up, immediately at least a hint will start keep making the buying in the options. That did not happen here. And I understood there is a chance that these buyers will be getting trapped. And I expected that it will fall from there. And there you can see the started when they started falling, they started continuously. The move is also very, I mean, each candle is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and they continuously fell down. Actually, I thought at least, I mean, they will stop it here only. That's lower, I mean, the 43,650 level only, but they continuously started falling and they killed everybody. And I mean, they might be targeting the positional traders also. So those who have taken the positional trade for a few more days, they thought of killing everybody and they fell almost to the 43,300 level or 350 level roughly. And from there on, last 1 hour session, I think 1 hour, not even 1 hour, I think, okay, last half an hour to 45 minutes, there was some buying. So the main important thing is that they utilize the human psychology here, because yesterday there was completely a buying in the Bank Nifty. So today also there will be many traders who will be ready to take the buying position. And to make those traders to enter their position, they first made and sellers to take their positions, and they made them not to hit their targets and keep their positions active. And when they are active, there will be millions of experienced traders also, they will be taking some risk here, keeping their stop loss just below it and expecting this first 5 minute candle high or at least the day high. They might be also taking their positions. So this is the biggest psychological trap, where buyers will be interested to take their position based upon the previous day price action. And after trapping millions of buyers here, they sharply falling down continuously. And I think they even killed the positional traders also, those who have bought the put options or those who have sold the call options. So everybody might have killed, basically. So finally, in the last half an hour session, there was some buying happened, but everything has closed or everything has lost here only. This is the zone which is a turning point for the bank Nifty today. So I hope this kind of analysis or this kind of understanding in the intraday price action is very important for everybody. Okay, so now I will tell you one more thing also. Here also, if you see, there is a selling happening. Okay, so none of the candle is closing are good. Okay, so when you see this kind of behavior, we should not take the sell position. Okay, assume if you have taken the selling position, and when the second attempt of selling is happening, it is not hitting the, or it is not even coming closer to the this fall or even closer to the support. And when you see this kind of green candle opposite to your opinion, just come out of your position. Okay, so this is one kind of, even at the moment, or when you're seeing the market price action, you may be thinking that it will fall, and you may be taking the sell position. But when you should understand each candle, and you should keep on reading, and you should keep on understanding what is happening. And if you see that a green candle come in happening, or green candle is visible to you against your opinion, you just come out of your sell position. And here, this there is a good signal for the sellers to come out of their position. Okay, but here for buyers, one good signal is in options. That is, in options side, there is no clear signal at all. So options itself is not showing signal. It means there is going to be a biggest uh, problem there for the buyers. So you should watch the options also, because bank Nifty, it will be trading more compared to the equity, the bank's stocks. So here itself you'll be getting the good signal. Okay, so there, and here also one more important thing for the buyers. Even if you see there is a buying happening here, it is not even went above the first 5-minute candle high, right? So this is also one signal where buyers should not take the position. Okay, so combining both, they have given signals to sellers and buyers also. But those who haven't observed the signals and those who have understood the signals very well, they will be killed off. That is what happened. And mainly they targeted buyers only today. That's the reason sellers are safe, buyers got killed off completely. Okay, so since their intentional is to kill the buyers only, because psychologically they will be, buyers will be more compared to the sellers in the bank Nifty. So that's the reason, though uh, sellers have not hit their targets and the price, bank Nifty is going against to them, they did not kill off, they did not kill off major sell positions here, because most of the people will be keeping the stop losses just above the first 5-minute candle. So they kept the sellers safe, most of the sellers safe, and they trapped most of the buyers, because these buyers will be 10 to 15 times more than the sellers here. So that's the reason they want to kill the buyers only. So that is what has happened today. So I hope this explanation is very much helpful for you. Okay, so kindly let me know if you have any doubts, or if you want to clarify anything in the price action analysis. Let me know in the comment section. I will try to clarify you in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.